In this video, I'll show you how to make an image tell your story in seconds using Bria. Let's say that I'm opening up a sushi restaurant near a university campus. I want to create a few marketing assets and need a hero visual that will appeal to an international, young, and sophisticated audience. I have a stock image that's in the right direction and now open it up in Bria. First things first, I want my own unique model that won't appear anywhere else. So I go to the Models tab. I think this option will connect with my target audience. Perfect. Now, I want to change her sentiment to match what I want to communicate. So I go to the Expressions tab. And here, I use the sliders to get the expression I want. I want people to know that they'll enjoy the food, so I'm going to make her happier. And finally, let's finish on the Appearance tab. I think some glasses will add a sense of sophistication. And there you have it. I have exactly the image I want to tell my story, and can even compare with what was there before. Now I'm finished, I can download the new image and start using it immediately.